So I'm here this morning with Ronnie Sang, who is the co-founder and CEO of AoCubo out of Brazil. Good morning, Ronnie.
Good morning, Wed. How's it going?
I'm good, thanks. So we're talking about Property Portal Watch. You're a regular attendee at Property Portal Watch events. What is it that keeps you coming back?
Well, yeah, I've been coming to the event since 2018, if I'm not mistaken. So it's been, several years. It's a great way to, to stay in touch with other founders and executives from different countries that, are facing similar challenges in different countries. So it's always good to learn from those guys, and I feel that at the conference we have a very open spirit that everybody's just really shares the struggles and shares some of the mistakes that they're making, and by listening to those guys, by listening to those mistakes, and it's always good to avoid and making the same mistakes. So I think that's one of the major points of why I continue to keep coming back. And also, it's a great opportunity for early startups like we were back in the days, on meeting possible investors. That's where we met in Focasas, which is a current shareholder, Sean De Gregorio, Simon Baker, Gonzalo Del Pozo. So it's a great way for younger startups to meet possible investors and mentors. So yeah, given all that said, it's a great opportunity, and it's a great network event.
Okay. Is there anything that you're particularly looking forward to this year? I know we haven't been able to celebrate Property Portal Watch in person for a long time, and a lot of people haven't been able to meet up for a long time. Is there anyone in particular you're looking forward to seeing? Is there any particular talk you're looking forward to hearing? Anything like that?
Oh, I always enjoy talking to people and founders and CEOs of companies that are doing similar business models, similar business model as we do. So people facing challenging to get into the transaction, especially on the new home segment. So I always enjoy having a chat with Simon, Gonzalo, Ricardo from Infocasas. I know that they're facing some of the similar challenges in different countries. Simon Bray also trying to get into the transaction in a more developed country, such as Canada. So yeah, definitely look forward to chatting with those folks and learning from their experience.
Okay. Something that's a bugbear of mine is that, to me at least, a lot of real estate portals seem a little bit short-sighted, and they're only really interested in what's happening in their own market. I think, and this might just be what I think, that many real estate portals could really benefit from seeing what other real estate portals in other markets are doing. Firstly, do you agree? And if you do agree, what would you say to a real estate portal who's maybe a little bit on the fence about whether to listen to other people in other markets?
Well, I do agree. But I guess, usually those large portals, in more developed countries, or even in Brazil, the number one, two, and three players, they're super large organizations, and they're probably just really really busy trying to run the business. As I can speak for Brazil, the economy is not doing so well. A lot of challenges, a lot of layoffs. So I guess that's one of the reasons why people were not attending. But if I were in their shoes, I would definitely try to. Of course, you gotta take care of the problems on your own kitchen, but you have always to continue to look for innovations and look for different business models, and what's going on out there in more developed countries. Again, speaking for Brazilian companies, so yeah, I'll definitely recommend it. If I were an executive on one of those major companies, I would definitely be pushing for the company to send some people, at least to listen to, and that's definitely doesn't hurt. Sit there for a couple of days, meet a lot of people, see what they're doing, and I know there are quite a few large portals worldwide, getting to the transaction, doing things a little bit differently, and perhaps listen by that in late October, it's gonna pay off for the next 1 or 2 or 3 years. So yeah, I definitely recommend coming to the event.
Perfect. Thanks a lot, Ronnie. I look forward to seeing you in just over 4 weeks' time in Madrid.
Likewise, I'll see you there.